Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to open the component services in Windows 10 or Windows 11. So the component services tool helps you configure COM component, object model component, and COM plus applications. COM system that helps you create software components and link them together to build applications, and COM plus applications comprises a group of COM components that perform related functions. And then I'll show you 5 ways to open component services. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first method that we're going to do is to open the component services tool using the start menu search bar. So here in search menu, and then you need to type this component services and then click open. And you can see guys that component services is open using the start menu search bar, and then we need to close. And the other method is using the run command dialog box. So press the Windows key plus letter R on your keyboard to open this run. And then once you open up here this run command, so here in box, and then we need to type this command keyword com exp.msc. So just type this command keyword com exp.msc, that is one word, and then click OK. And again, so it will open again this component services via this command dialog box. Alright, so we need to close again. And the next method that we're going to do is to using the File Explorer address bar. So all you have to do is to click on the File Explorer. And then once you open up here, so you can see this at the quick access, and then click. And the next step, then you need to type this command keyword com exp.msc. So just type this com exp.msc, that is one word, and then press enter. And you can see again guys that this component services, it's already open using this File Explorer address bar. And then we need to close again. And the next method is using the control panel. So all you have to do is to click again on a search menu. And then here you need to type this control panel. And then you need to click open. And then once you open up here at control panel, then we need to expand the view by drop down menu here. So click this arrow and select large icons to see all settings. And then once you open up, and the next step, then you need to select or tap this administrative tools and then click. And then here at administrative tools, so you can see now this component services here. So all you have to do is to double click, and you can see again guys that component services is open up by control panel here. Alright, so we need to close. And the other method is using the task manager. So all you have to do is to right click on a taskbar and then select task manager. And then once you open up here at task manager, and then you can see this file tab, and then click and then select run new task, and then pop up this create new task. So here in box, and then you need to type this com exp.msc. And the next step, then check this box, create this task with administrative privilege. So check this box and then click OK. And again guys, so you can see this that component services is open using task manager. Alright, so that's it guys, and thanks for watching, and hopefully this video was helpful to resolve Windows settings on your PC. And give it a thumbs up and share it with others. And if you're new to our channel, I invite you to subscribe and click the bell to not miss out on the latest for Windows Guide tutorials. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorials.